Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yvette and I am part of the Kendra's Card Challenge design team. Thank you so much for joining our KCC 14 collaboration hop featuring our super sponsor, the Stamps of Life. Our team will be showcasing some of the Stamps of Life goodies using them with Kendra's Card Challenge number 14. Now to follow along, check the description box below and I'll have a playlist for today's hop. Also, today's hop is a giveaway opportunity and you can win a digital giveaway prize from Cards by Kendra. So when you finish the hop, make sure you fill out the form that is also in the description box. The winner will be randomly chosen and announced on the Cards by Kendra community tab. Our super sponsor, the Stamps of Life, gave members of the design team lots of fun goodies to play with. So what I decided to use for today's card is this beautiful pattern paper pad. It is the, looks like it's the Laugh collection. And then we got some of these, they're the 4th of July epoxy dots, so they're like little enamel dots. And then I'm going to use this stamp set. It is the Smile Phrases 4 strips stamp set. So as you know, I'm sticking with using card sketch number 9 for KCC 14. So let's kind of go through the papers and see which ones I'd like to use. And these papers are so cute. Look at these little whales. I actually like this paper pad for a baby card. I'll think about that. And then we have this beautiful star background, this diagonal stripe. This is kind of a patriotic theme, I think. So stars on a red background, some stars on a blue, this nice solid gray, these little waves here. Oh, I like this blue, it's very pretty. Some different color stripes there, more stars on blue, another wave pattern, some stars on an aqua. Oh, look at this pretty geometric pattern. I really like that. Okay. And another more stars on blue. This one with some whales and it says, just swimming by to say hi. A nice solid red, some more waves, stars on a light blue, some nice big polka dots, and solid blue, more waves there. Wow, there's a lot of papers here. Solid striped stars on a red background. Oh, I like this pattern here. And then this is where we repeat. So as I think through my card, I'm liking the idea of stars and stripes. What do you think? Let's go with this. Has a stars and stripes, so I can use that one sheet for my smaller pieces. And then for my square piece, I'm liking this panel here. In fact, we'll see. We'll work with that. Then I could actually use, I think I might use one of the solids in here as a background layer. Let's see what that blue looks like. I like the blue better. Is that the same blue? It's a different shade of blue. I think I like this one better. All right, I'm gonna go with this one. And let's start cutting our papers and assembling our card. Usually, I have all my pieces cut and ready to go, but today I thought I'd kind of walk you through my process. As I put my card together, let me share a little bit about Kendra's Card Challenge. Kendra's Card Challenge is a quarterly card challenge open to card makers worldwide, in which you can make 15 unique cards using 6 sheets of 6x6 pattern paper. Kendra does an amazing job of making an easy to follow sketch and cutting guide, which is free to download. You can enter to win some amazing prizes from our wonderful sponsors by simply entering a photo of your 15 cards in Kendra's Card Challenge Facebook group. You can enter 3 times each quarter. So for this quarter, you could have had an entry for April, you can have one for May, and you can have one for June. That gives you 3 chances to win some great prizes. All of the details on how to download the sketch and how to enter the challenge are in the description box below, as well as links to the goodies that I am using for today's card. And there you have my completed card using this beautiful paper and stamp set from the Stamps of Life, as well as card sketch number 9 from Kendra's Card Challenge number 14. I do hope you'll play along with Kendra's Card Challenge for more chances to win fabulous prizes. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribed to my YouTube channel or followed me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.